Yeah, good evening once again. Church will be a baby adjo. It's about platform so. The kind first video back I'm in your problem can't take away. It's about for it. Then I'm make an and one it's about to us. Yes, some that and some people be elections once and some na Bobo Bana, no, and I didn't come the first time on na. Yes, about back be no. We didn't check. I say. Kasaka Krabi, yes, we actually are doing a video. The Jumadina Banawi, yeah, election 2020 and matters arising. And one is the big home come be mitino. It will be as our platform no supia no share. The union so and be a head. Nana yedi kare kano and sana network and etiakono. Na igusuka scatter blouse a hodua manfuato a fee about to him na too much scatter blouse on that doesn't oh. Mato scatter blouse toto. Na scatter blouse ni too much pa ya kan ho sema but ni pa binuman ti se scatter blouse no embo. Yes over to scatter blouse but you see sene asia ko ye no abana wa we no mpipi fa ban na da ko kufa do e fama bi no ho be kire no ya na yeso ye wo constituency ni mu no so yeso ye ho be kire pa nye easy scatter blouse no do so ya kan ho sema but nipa bi no anti e ka se parliament no ko ya hanging parliament you see because ya hanging parliament people before obenya majority na e kakra bi but different just one or two baby you know e kan ho asem na party for no so then na ye kan no minimum amantie e hu kan ye but amantie e kan ya amantie tina ahyase no video ba kona ye no na me de krum nkranza ye example no because some people lose city binuma na your man seat or your man seat but then I'm name be anto to ye ntino and I'm lose am strong because you strong host or lose seat no because check ya scatter blast to do na your to ya no your to man another dan go kuvado most of the scatter blast over 30 plus polling station most of them MPP winning here particularly a central region and Akufo-Addo winning over 19 constituencies. But in terms of parliamentary, no, and I'm internal politics in a new marketing kitty, no, Mulusu 9 seats in central region. And you know, na it will say na hunte. Some of the constituencies are, and these have not even won it before. So some now be maybe what man na your internal politics, your EPA na out him say, you who can ye. Say adi we ya suma say ye emboa. Binum kwa no mu preach scatter blouse or constituency binum. And be before ya mu preach scatter blouse, So the scatter blouse campaign was too high. The scatter blouse campaign no, na very too high. You know, and you want to say a trouble anyway, you know. A bit before all right, sorry. But na parliament no akoye bibie ho wachi bidin kwasiko so ojira nkwantia kwasiko no ojira nkwantia wonti say you know say serve as a lesson edema both political parties on the but I be before also mo yem homework yi pa me you sure say by this time say na manfo si kire o madwene ne ma babonto mo yem homework yi other parties on back so mo yem also mo yem homework yi because the vote say yaba no yemfa ni agro we ye MPR ni kwanso di agro sa on found so no ye party but there be uduru wo betwete ho eno no wo ho ene marketing kiti wo ma ene free MP no MP for no side omo modem a ewo constituency no a na ewo fem enti do na akwahwe na mpanyina no ho do no be to aba ede ma MPP but maybe a scatter blast no mu preach ye the year head topic no You preach ye. You preach ye, baby, don't know preach. Say, me come and say, because enough. You preach the topic heading. I don't pay beer, almost so then I'm going to breakfast. You got to get them blows, you got to get them blows from primaries, and they shall say internal politics, petty politics, politics. Who here? First one is so. Party Maya Ankasa. For Hanuma, we share Hanmo, by ye being idiot. Now, class of Pipi Bono East region. Even the time I ever have was one of the strongholds of the MPPR. Now, your class of Kahubi. We think because that area, no, the theatre Bono East Ababe, you know, Abaden Honor. But that side, Honor settlers and I want to also. You know, we check 11 constituencies now. We should be a safe city, my MPPR. Now, your class enough. MPP have won it 4 times since 2004. It was their stronghold. Techima North and South, Graza South, Kentapon North and South, Sunny East, Sunny West, Puru East, Table Mountain. All of them were for NDC. But now Graza South, I switch it now by MPP. Techima South, I switch it back on MPP. Techima North, I switch it back on Munu, now by MPP. Table, I switch it back on Abba MPP. Sunny West, I have never won it before. Sunny East, they've not won it before. Puru West, they've not won. Puru East, they've not won it before. Puru West, fee 2020, that's almost a dare. I'm not true because that one, I mean, who say but because we share, would you compare the previous figures 2016 there now, Ocean MPP in the modern man or born in 2016 now. That's something should tell you that. Or you don't know what Caribbean, no bit my at the city or Puru West. Kentampon North, and before we need be that since 92. Kentampon North, and then I must say Adane, Abba MPP side, and also so we check it difference in 2016 now. Now the margin is very close. You know, and you who say Kentampon North, and Puru West, and Dane Afi. But apart from that, no, city that I am before they now went to man bohom body. And the Montana politics, constituency executive, in the regional executive, binum, nipa binum, but Mamma Jimenez, Manuncipone, nipa binum, and a more party in more. And no more skeleton blossom preachy, yeah. Because I know for dear, Miss Made by example, because it's 2024, Baba. And now skeleton blossom preachy, yeah. I won't preach skeleton blossom, since they white. Yeah, promise anyway. Yeah, no, but is pretty preachy skirt and blouse. Mu preachy skirt and preachy, and up be a breakfast. Mu preachy, yeah. Yeah, hombana ina. Say you got to skirt and blouse. Hey, and people stronghold in the air, then you got to skirt and blouse. Ye can ye be ye nebe ye be just skirt and blouse on the boy. Every man puntu a catchy. Every man wants a man. But yes, it's a general crowd. A vessel at a connection. You can't be and then you can't muti. But and then you talk about me who know the iron. You see, I say, what is no? I buy your tone and say no. You see, any at say your tour about pa ye, we MPR. Never been to 2 years, or maybe fear about corrective mistakes. But the many be also are a year. Yena, ye, must sit there, a free answer. Some DC is binom and MC is binom. Is a crowd, ye breaking news to be an amity, as Brooklyn West. You know, General, you know, what petition, Eco Party office. Say, the MC, you know, the DC, you know, can pay beer and sponsor B was no sponsor for the same. Or sponsor Skirt and Blast can pay. Oh, no, the constituency, or one own party, no sponsor Skirt and Blouse, oh, honor. And then you are under the Intimamus breaking for you for sorry, breaking west, we for sorry say. At the end of this in the year, you know, they don't like him again. Or the party no ever fan because Skirt and Blouse are preachy, you know, I can keep to make a city in the free of Monsa. Breaking west is MPP stronghold. Breaking east is MPP stronghold. Tinia Binuma Nipa Binum, yeah, and 2 years, or to say back to the drawing board. na yɛba na yɛbɛtwerɛtwerɛ nneɛma na yɛhyehyɛ nneɛma na wɔn a bɛfrɛ yi mu no a asɛ nka tepa na baako bi abɛfra no kateɛ bibire no baako bɛfra a sɛ nkate no nyinaa ti no wɔn a bɛfra yi mu no a wɔn ɛde confusion ketenkete bi aba no asɛ mpanyinfoɔ ba no bɛtena ase back to the drawing board na wɔn bɛsi nkonnwa na wɔn ka wɔn ti bɔ ho na yɛn a yɛwɔ grassroot hɔ no yɛwɔ fam hɔ no deɛ yɛbɛka no wɔn tie sɛ yɛka sɛ kyerɛ mo wɔn tie yɛn ɛsɛ ɛne na yɛde deɛ akɔsi yɛ asi no elections no deɛ abibifoɔ awene for the elections but the overwhelming majority we were looking for in the parliament no he na akɔyɛ bɔkye bi din a ɔsɛ sɛ yɛba back to the drawing board, not only the parliamentary but the presidential too, because after that done cooking for 4 years he's going to leave the battlefield, hand over to a different person. So we need to come to the drawing board, do our homework, correct our mistakes, and you move on, because there are a lot of the seats we lost. We are going to retain them back, or we are going to collect them back in 2024. It was some few mistakes and some few things, some dirty politics, and some of the executive did at the constituency level and some regional level. Some of them they did, which couldn't help us to retain some of even our stronghold. When I heard Wenchi have turned blue, Wenchi have turned green in favor of the NDC in the parliamentary, I said, wow. Why should Wenchi turn green? In class enough have turned green parliamentary. Baba. Mama. Medikitu abi. Video no. Maame no had this table kakra abusan for me so don't fan cheme. Anka me se me pause so well, video no this table me kakra na me mo fragment no akwa se sound no esesa kakra ntino fan cheme ntino de na me gusu ka no François is so me ba ka Yeah, I will say for Yasana back. Yeah, move on. Me say me post video na kakra na me kwa ya deke tu abi. Enti no, the another me gusu kana inu no MP before. Maybe ankoyi kura in terms of the parliamentary aspect na there. Nema ankoyi. Yete ha. Yehu ya kan ye. Oh, yehu kan ye. So man tie ye. Me kromo kwasa for. You know, me nipa ho yi be. They don't deserve the position. I was through. Yet when me obi anim o chance but can say niema na ya itia ya hankasa ye ho no. Now if you come and sit down, go to the drawing board, do all the research. You should start from today, the 2020 election. Start from the day they declare Nana Addo Akufo-Addo as a winner. That day is when 2020 general election, next 4 years to come now. It started that day, on Wednesday, and it started. So, if you have something to do, you should do it now. Any reshuffle, anything, any research, you start now. Move to the rural areas, move to the urban cities, communities, talk to everybody, speak with everybody. You should work with the independent bodies, go to the grounds and bring us the feedback. And yes, the course of 2020 year, we should have won overwhelmingly majority. But the people decided that they're going to vote skirt and blouse. And it shows, the signs on the wall shows that they were going to vote skirt and blouse. Because of so, because of this, because of that. What the MP is doing, I don't like. Yeah, as well as no mempe. There we are no and yet. Yet Transakaya, some of the party executives, some of them is constituency executives. Mostly is among those who are at the constituency level. They did dirty work against their own party, and it was us. They did dirty work. We can't mention some people's name over here, but we know them. What I'm saying, people know. Now they've gone back to the drawing board and they see all the signs. You see? Now, how are you going to govern this country with this a hanging parliament? A divided parliament with just over 1 or 2 majority. How are we going to rule the country? Or how is the president going to work effectively due to how our nature of our governance is in Africa, especially Ghana? When it is good, when the policy is good for the country, the opposition is against it. When any party who be in opposition, whether the NPP or NDC, when the government brings something on board, they will be debating on it. We need to go in for the majority or minority carries the vote. We just vote. Probably because the president is having overwhelming majority in parliament, the parliamentarians will vote for the policy to implement the policies and bills in parliament. Now, the parliament has been divided into 2. How is the president going to work? My papers of ideas. But then another good for the team I satisfy the goodwill of the people. You be bread. Yeah, no, you be bread happy. About no be bread. You so you be bread. Inka brain him deal, but senior. If they say, yeah, kind of politics, SCIA or if they say Ghana no. Adiano. Yeah, the better one ma. We do say a policy yeah, better a but still there will be opposition fighting against the policy. But because the president or the ruling party is having majority in parliament, they will stand on their authority, vote for the policy. So if you don't get the majority in parliament, how are you going to rule the nation? So the country will be chaos, stand still. Because this thing have happened before in 1979. President Limem time, he won the presidency, but he didn't get the majority in parliament. So he sent his bill to the front of parliament, and they rejected it. So, and now, if I say majority in parliament here, he say independence candidate now, or when if I say for me now, only never be the term if I say majority no. So the term put that's a majority, look at a difference. One is a difference too. See, every parliamentarian won't go parliament. Who choose time? Could I have a parliament? He said, if you parliamentarians now, or when you go to a parliament, and I say, you're trouble from some parliament, question, but I'm going to put Famrano. I think you baby who no. This is say, Gani would say, yes, you are creating by Yama Ubia and Fat FNSA, Bantuanicaku. The FNSA head pint, normally FNSA, and Medada. He say, a trow. Gani would test no. He say, you need the whole pass up all. He say, if you who makes a parliament just one day, could have one person makes a parliament. Mampanino, and a baron of Bachelor. When you come make a parliament in the year, no Bachelor. Especially the ruling party. Won't make a parliament about why you won't Bachelor. What I say? Because in the parliament, Gitano, I will chimpe so dear. This is baby now. You know the consequence. It is a young kind of the same party, no? Both the ruling party and the opposition Akuma. I'm a man working together our parliament horma. On one president ruling party, no, or more bachelor more. Now, citizens and I say, oh, my, the bachelor because they say, abandon the policy by patrol, same baby implemented parliamentarians from Trumame. That's some of the ruling party, no. I'm trying to be when you just over slim majority, just 1 or 2 majority, no. Now say when you any place with anything can happen. Will be for bit my yare on parliament. International community see may invite you be and can say or maybe more ministerial appointment or may invite you or mama after say a breach no many other international committee so acquire assignment binum. Minister of Foreign Affairs in Omoka Kangina, to acquire memory. At yes, intino. See, the everyone say, you the bill got to parliament. The bill got to parliament. That's foreign ministers, the interior ministers, other won't make it ministerial positions, Majority of men, when they travel outside the country, we need to wait for them to report before we go for certain, before they go and vote for the bill. Or go and pass the bill for it to work. So you're going to have interesting things and interesting times in Ghana. You're going to watch it. You'll be here, sitting here, watching every day, looking how Parliament is going to work from 7 January 2021. And it's going to be interesting. It is going to be interesting. You're going to see, because some parliamentarians are cobblers. So those who are cobblers, those who are cobblers, you're going to see them. If you miss even just a day in Parliament, it is going to affect you. It's going to affect you. So I'm even laughing. You know, you say, "Oh, my Parliament to come." Ah, this is Parliament. They say they see hanging. Ah, my country scatter blouse, baby. You can want some. Ah, scatter blouse. I'm why? Yes, Ramo. One tea. I'm before. Why you money maybe me? A kaya one tea. A kaya one tea. He says you should go back to the drawing board. A problem get to be just minor problem. Maybe come class and say, "Me example class enough." It was just a minor problem. MP don't know. Binu me can say watch do. Iti uncle. Oh, you may mind that middle class enough for the they be American some say. Fine, MP don't can say watch it. But not for 14 years. But 14 years, you know. I buy election and then buy 2007. Or buy just a year after the parliament for now experience of parliament in Asia. 2089 and the party, and a free parliament. And a bow opposition. But he won the elections, but he was in opposition from 2009 to 2012. Or let me say 2013. Yeah, 2012. And he won the parliament again. 2013 to 2016, he was still in the opposition. So how is he going to work with the ruling government? Because it was very difficult for him. He was having his MP's common fund, doing a little, helping the constituents, doing his best, trying his best, doing things to help his people. But because he was in opposition, and much was expecting from the MP then, Major Derek Odro. He was in opposition for 8 years. So opposition for 8 years. We were in opposition for 8 years. How can an MP in opposition for 8 years construct a road? Construct entire road in opposition? How are you going to facilitate? He tried to lobby for the government to help him, but they were not responding. And that is the matter of fact. In Ghana, if you're in opposition, and God didn't take care. If you go to some of the ministries for just some funds to facilitate one or two things, it is they won't really show any appreciation for you, or it is going to be even later, because I can't remember the then MP Major Dadkodru went in for some fun. He went for some help from the then 2014 or so, that the Minister of Local Government and Rural Development, they should help him so that he can get one of two things to go and do something in his constituency. And they looked through his face and they accepted it. But later on, Onona Okoko pray if anything, at the end of say, Omombuano no. Actually no. Omo da vete at the end of the command nipa foforo And I'm saying only the party in the power nintino. How about that the command the papa for MC say on a moment onje adi na ofanya adwuma no apila kopra ba no ipa na edema no ho ye ne selebia na saa na si ho intino wo ye MP na wo ti opposition e ba na ofofo mesere ho ye papa ya to ba me na wa betre opposition me ne me transfer ha no maka ne pre enye prefa e brother no ofofo and some of the MPs ya to ba omo no sisi omo party no any power no me de mahu no watanga na over 20 years and sana nyame bo me to kwai you know I saw some Benjamin Delikoduro. He was in opposition for 8 years and I saw the difficulties he went through. Honorable Kwame Bufdumesi, the former MP for Nkrasah South, he was in opposition for 4 years, 2009 to 2012. He was in opposition. One of the best MP for Nkrasah South. He did his best during Kufuor time, Kufuor regime. In the Tamis regime, he was in opposition, but he did his best. But they voted against him in 2012. One of the best MPs I've seen so far for Nkrasah South. But he lost his seat in 2012 because his party was not in power, and Nkrasah South is a strong constituency. So if your party is not in power and some one of two things go against you, the people of Nkrasah are going to vote against you. And they voted against him. So Major Delikoduro was in power, was in opposition for 8 years because Nkrasah North was MPP stronghold. He was still maintaining the seat for MPP in Nkrasah South. No, Nkrasah North rather. No, maintaining seat, from 2007 the by-election, 2008 he won the seat, 2012 he won the seat, 2016 and he won the seat, and his party came to power. So 2016 was the first time Major Delikoduro won the seat, or MPP won the presidency, and at the same time they won the seat as well with the same ruling party. So he did his best, he tried his best, but still, then people will be like, oh, Atana Kunyano so I check what did 14 years. But 14 years, what 8 years free ma? What 8 years free ma? By election, and they just 1 year, or not me fan castle. 4 years now, be the year, 4 years, but be the year, another party, our power. 8 years in the not your position. 8 years in the no major that could do, not your position. But I'm not for some man who they are wire. And you better bet and I'm for preaching skirt and blouse. On one party, on one own party for preaching skirt and blouse, editiano. And I'm pa, Omade was a yo, and I'm to skirt and blouse, and a major that could do Elusu. Intimidate some of my can say, yeah, Papa Joseph means I have trouble, man, on nothing, Pano, my no. He's going to suffer. Obey papa, and a banker, he's going to suffer a lot because who party me. FNSA or no kind of party crowd power now, yes, or better after 14 years. You who dear why 14 years, no, 8 years not your position. But still now, yes, you who dear why into no, you have to scatter and blast, no, you have to about no. Mr. Joseph Mensah, he's going to face difficulties, and it is rare, it is factual. He's going to face difficulties. MP elect. Yeah, they say catch it all because he has a member. You MP no go and school fees in your babaje. University school fees in your babaje. For education and other go for my SHS and yeah. Yeah, you go technical university school fees and be a babaje into your catch it all. A crown also obey because it's a was enough for the issue. Is it major that go through when demand your quine until you're true? Until you're true. And MPP where you be ana say what power woo, say what position. Me the micro media na set example. Adi ku ye Nkrasah North for you say akwan. Enti akwan onona buwe. Aya you Nkrasah North. within your soul in we are. Well, first na you better go here. You're born with it so papa. You're going to construct and facilitate the minor and major roles in Nkranza North, whether we are in government or we are not in government. Now the voters of Nkranza South do not care whether we are in government or we are in the opposition. They are trying to say, "Motion na machine who be this so." The voters na you Ghana no. They say, "You have been ho." It no. So we say they are be kano. Punti munya. The edika no kura no. Mamba say wa be pre akonwa no. Because they say they have say politicians for no. Moba. Moso me yi yama ye. Mo yi yama ye. Moso me di wi a. Mo si MP nya kwan. E do say ye hu ni say what do one be Canada ye obeye enti no MP you wan Nkranza North na Nkranza South e bo she ho she bia obedi so e bo she ho she bia obedi so because see when you this one you make a bet ya ho uchu mutai make a bet ya ho because you said it and the people voted for you and the people of Nkranza North and South are crying for development. And you promise them for development. I've heard that some of the MPs are promising that they're going to build airport. What? Airport? Airport? How can an MP just say that I'm going to build airport? With what kind of fund? From where? A whole airport. I've heard many promises from some of the MPs from Nkranza North and South. They're going to construct training colleges, nursing training colleges, teacher training colleges, university, and so on and so forth. Wow! Yeah, said you mean training college in universities are going to be if I say municipality anymore. But MP unya bet na ho actually go create house me ba and a billboard and if I say placards to say I'm going to build an airport for Nkranza South. You are going to deliver. If you didn't deliver, you are going to answer it the next 4 years ahead. But they say the way say my transfer say Ghanaian voters no. You vote according to your promise. You're true ba. You see you're true ba. You're true ba pa wo asan wa kan actually no. And also na you're so true ba ma. Itu ba no be filia. He say you automatic banker. You betu etia wo. Simple. Because they are making Nkranza North South for my mahunu no. You see, but I say, oh yeah, MP no be shebo. Say me ba na me gata we yama ho. That's when mama me ya. O see you free one more. Wow. Elections 2020 I'm a Ghana for yakunu ni ama papa. But you ba na share. Why? Share that man for a video to be you can try election 2020 matters arising. The SFF free move, the also before, during, and after you both the who aka above our platform so. But you media analysis of my we show a video no. Me but oba no watch video no why. Share video no. Like a page no comment. E make can comment na ma. You gonna try to adwene. You gonna move your Ghana for. Behind the party or down, but they are cost a few, you know. Actually, be pass politicians, no more fire voters on the agro. Politicians, no more fire voters, no, yeah, walk down, no more fire in the agro. I should be pa. Tell me one people for hard honor because it may be a free battle. Let me be a war. You be do hard a meeting, never a cocoa swans. We there are for preachers get and blouse say it is not going to help. So you shouldn't preach skirt and blouse. It is going to affect the party, it is going to affect the government, it is going to affect we the citizens in the country. But we didn't mind. They did their dirty politics, they did their skirt and blouse politics, their internal problem. They couldn't manage them well. Nkranza South and North, when the East region, Nkranza North, for example, why do people lose Nkranza North seat? I can't understand. How do we lose this seat? How do you lose? Why do my people do this to us? Please, you should go back to the drawing board. It was a mere mistake. This is a new reactions. Yana your controls ask at the blast one. This is a new because if a people be answered, I'm brave. A brother north, yes, ye pimpuntu, a brother south, is ye pimpuntu. Is he a coffin puntu? No, is he one person that didn't put to number? Yep, development. Yep, development. The development now a message out papa. I come from there, I live there, I know what is going there. Since the parliament we hanging parliament. But the development now bad. She was saying yes, no. This is the same common fund here. I hear the Brahma dear you want district in the municipality anymore. Bede pana yetimu efenesen bede pana yetimu development na yehwe no kwanza no offense out no bede ne nsa aka ya kan uzi chinchina ya kotos gata blouse uzi chinchina ya kotos gata blouse chinchina uzi ya kotos gata blouse am para wode wose aya ya kotos gata blouse Brazil pacho ho ye mi wiame from ye di nkomo na me de mikro mi kwanza for de ba ya himi bu ofu Because some of us be development. Since I got to get them blouse. Since when ever call FNS presidency, I could pray FNS development and Abafi. He said, "Be one of us have you do no. I finish the chikura because opposition FNS opposition parliamentary candidate no know no. Ono ade bia president to go back to parliament bia ono be vote akinzi. Obetu etia. Tie be twe yenum binum se no ma yenum yesu no. Ebe twi ye mpunto bibire no akwa akide ende ye fat this on wo ho enye obi na be den ebe ma be kan kire e ho dada ye hunu bi abre MP na yayi no he cannot do nothing for us wonti mu nye bi papa bi ama yen 1 kilometer of road growing construct ni common fan ya he obeka kire se obi se airport abaye This is anything I hear. Yes, I got to scatter blouse. I'm panning out to move nothing. So I try to scatter blouse. Say basa. People was here go back to the drawing board. Na eko koye homework here because seat no there. Ya na eja seat in the mom. You lose go as of seat in the man this requirements so. Koto basi basa above for so bien so sisi FNS MC and DC be mpa na na Kufuor de ba appoint no sisi pa na e bo say be nya obi a the Robin skills anu odene so be ma pini puntu ba de abankwa so no offense is a pa dia hwanya Never be ho no ma o ma hye ni majority dodo na ahwe be sere e be ka chi bibi dodo na e ba be stand still yet hanma e be sere ba be ka ho asem si ehunu yanka so de well Blazik also say mo go back to the drawing board go back to the drawing board pa na internal politics ne party executive for bi no mo nse hu no mo di ye no say about to the whole asem akwa ibi amete ye kra say MPB say parliamentary candidate be say ye bisa say didn't know when kwasa no for seat also me kwa ye do don't na mawe ne mbra ba mo was go back to the drawing board na money if anything grassroots no one more fam no monko kasa. You say issues no uti hu just say brekum for the omo de eba. You say brekum krom so DC brekum west DC omo so monpa no. You for so here no because o preach skirt and blast like aketu e bi na ko lose seat no. Party executive no man chairman the constituency executive bi no say hunu kwa no ma die the whole Ghana. Especially central region. You lose 9 seats. They're not for winning 19 seats out of 23. How could we lose 9 seats? It was not for ye man. You lose when G. I turn a scatter and blouse say basa. Oh, Isaac, middle ye now no be back. I think back be a material crown. Me bo fu. Even saying case been for ebe monitor omo de omo report on about Ebunu East region ma monitor if say elections no. Oni e bi chairman back bi di nkomo abi besi mi boni di a yengere ya ni tua no. When di nkomo say di nte o man lose nkasa no visit a wo say MP na wo ho no wo di soja asem na tetete ko sa anti no wo lose. Wow, you know, what was there? You be one man, none the party so executive no ni if anything, nipa bi no ma pese seat no. Na you lose seat no. And on my year, shuma sigba. Now no okay FM for no if anything, Martin James akosa tejimafo yi no na twetwe nkomo. E bi say na say, ono ye deputy regional reorganization, e ba na say na Buni East for o ma talk about funds almost say most of the seats no na if anything, internal politics, some of the executive no wo omo sa wo assess ye dirty politics na omo lusu omo see the bebre e ho no, and it is true. The science will show you on the world that we are going to lose some of the seat. You lost Atebubu, you lost Ogaza Bovu North and South, you lost Teachman North, Teachman South you won, but the contesting it. Then they don't. Oh my God. It you know about the yes, I'm going to be one by voice from an easy film. Now, mom go party no more when you come from a party no. No dona more you that's for no frame no you bring the film. Mama at the chair moko ye FNSM internal FNSM elections na when you bring the film. Mama disable party ni na I come back to the drawing board. Na you bring the film. We cannot be losing some of our traditional seat. How could we losing some of our traditional seat? In Kwazan North, we be losing Kwazan North. Wenji. Doma, what do you, Tema East? German South. Some of the common traditions, you will be losing it. Basically, more cotton as a pan, more yabu work ye. Near my bin my some of the parties executive in the disease, be no more ye, you know. You be a bunia can ye, but minimum much enough for the serious. Woman is a friend him say what you knew, but when him say not a woman away there was saying. He said, "Mon cher, I be your magic is kuja isubunani." This subunani is ibedi yakukusi was son of Titidu, and then Kwanza as a whole. No, Omani kusi subunani. And then be one man and 2 years pura antino. Yes, I'm more from Nancy fem because now no me share FNSN. I be what FNSN. Like 2 TV. My back when I don't be was that FNSN Charles the other example. Say, you wanna watch Charles? Gonna do yadom or can the prince say mine? No time no buy your budget seat in the video FNSN. As you come and say no. Nobody funded him. He used his own money, pocket money, to fund himself. And over this seat no, maintain here. Or in a seat no bar parliament no. Even not a ranking member on any committee. I'm not to committee be also. Say yeah akura on this bit many fund and marketing kiti say about mu their better constituency no. And you know, and there might be one ma party no if any say you giant go for the position and the name of the opposition no. So when you contract a hold on name and nema. Omu wi a munye sika no bosa na be the same propaganda politics no atia near my lusu ada yenom. City bi no na nima kiti bi no nti mo hwe hoye pa mo hwe hoye o ma kan ngira wa ha se nipa bi no yema wo position of party no they don't do nothing about the party, but they came for just their belly, their stomach. Some people came for their stomach. They don't think about the party. They think they are not selfless human beings. They came for their stomach. So many of the regions, some are for the bar, which says some are just, most of them are internal politics. Some of the regional chairmen, regional executive, constituency executive were working undergrounds for them to lose the seat. And truth be told, we've lost the seat, about 30 seats. About 50 traditional seats, we've lost all of them. You know, some more people for someone for one and see them pa. A man took be in Twitter. See, I never connected here. Wow. Tia Seramo for one and see them pa. About the Kulu, some may end their life on honor. Ye made a problem my sort of trouble. Yes, a barrier. Near my echoes with you, many could grant me home. Near my I fear, Yamia boy, ye see if anything. Yasha Yama, ye see, Quamuno, you see. I feel a democracy regija. We be just 1 or 2, 1.5 years. When they start 20 cities, they start 20 cities. Is a mean out of one of my bomb. First one of my bomb. And Pino problems also BBC airport no. Maybe crowd as a school of chat to BBC airport no. You may Sika call BBC airport no. Say, lay back over with him a consultia. 1 kilometer crano with him a consultia. Well, they may be hold ma. I had a kind and people castle. There you will move their whole kind of from baby number more wounty. Is anything I have to ye. Toilet Korano with Timothy Maya, Yamyama, because they were there preaching against insulting somebody that the only thing he know that he have built toilet was this is the toilet yadi easy. And then you so one room toilet Korano, wait to make on Tibia Maya. No dear them, a cancer from so be as the toilet in Teno, you will not so fast so be as the toilet. Community be any toilet, yes, toilet a man for so be any so. It won't talk about Mamma BBC airport to Mamma. Maybe could BBC airport no. So baby see my hair. Ye should say politics na ya no enye kasa o enya no. Ona bo just say we 2008 elections. And I was for catching and say nipa binom. Catching and say unya kuku funa unya serba. Unya serba so unya kuku funa because I was have won the parliamentary. And everybody didn't want the presidential. Until when you're a cuckoo food when you're set back. And then the pebinum and the year a child you may talk walk and they be not true on a way you come. And also when you're cuckoo food when you're set back. A better one run away. You can be up what you said. So when you're cuckoo food when you're set back. And then because I'm moving off and south. Or when you're cuckoo food or when you're set back. How are they going to work? How are they going to deliver their promises? It is a minimum cause for me for Nancy Fem, but people before Nancy Fem come back to the drawing board. Now, we come back to the drawing board. Now we engage mistakes be a FNS any people me here. And you know, you come back to the drawing board. I bit my criteria mistakes be brave. Mistakes is be avoidable. A bit more avoid you mean some small things be able to check what man and to ying now. Is it 2020 a bayam who says Anna Babiana, Yegina no name, but you can't no minimum tea. Maybe not before Ginano, especially the parliamentary aspect no. Yakaya minimum tea. Nipa be no more case, the Yakanu and your papa who found this or to bullshit is some of the executive. When fear, ye no may ask, any idea, you were hanging parliament. Parliament in watching ministry who. How are you going to deliver? How is the president going to deliver? Eh? It's the President Kufado, head debate to parliament. Say, ye may yet, for instance, in Brazil, North, atebua o ma sha ase kura first phase no ma sha ase o mo ye no o mo ko brezi second ayi se yemra me ya se kwana na o mo kwako sign ayi no bere na agi atum se ye mfa nko ye adwuma no opposition no no to ho no o ko fight against it dite na kasa mama fonto sketa mla so ne bi no ye de bere no ko parliament a ono opposition no okoto etia se ba ya ba no ntimu implement the policies na ye de aye campaign e de etia no for the next 4 years no we are some constituency ba ka kire se on se ba ka kire se honto aba ma ye he honto aba ma ye he ye kwa ye ntinya adwuma oboa ye de bere no bato ho a ono nti on sign because the party kwa ba ka kire se masa okọ atutia no makoto etia enti no ahange parliament ni yenya difference parliament no difference one of the difference two here you say he say obia all the parliamentarians of the New Patriotic Party MP for no obia also obia ko parliament the bill ko to parliament bi obia ko ne ko sign bill no na ye adwuma because yentima ko sign bill no amana nya adwuma na ku fado the mamu ba bebu no for the second time e be yi bi say ekosoro na ba fam it mean you know this for dada da bi kura na ye overwhelming majority of 63 difference no ono ka hwede omo de ye wo parliament ko ye de to ha no de ato ha ye hwiri de to ha no de matiem ye tu no masi ye dua no matwa sa na ye wo overwhelming majority himpo hwe na omo de ye na ene nyamia fafia majority from bureaucracy ya nyo se nya yompo difference is why you see difference too yo me dey life ni besi ase ya me do bi ase wo nya kwan ehwe me wo comment yin na nyame hira mo na nyame ko bibi aho e be se ya bye bye adios hasta luego adios bye bye